Hello, my name is Devika Nambiar and I'm a senior at Skidmore College representing the Department of Psychology. I am presenting my research on the underlying factors in online purchasing behavior using eye tracking technology. Given that the field of marketing and consumer research is constantly changing and adapting to new trends and advancements in the market, researchers seek to develop a better understanding of consumer preferences and behaviors. Neuromarketing allows researchers to account for both individual reported behaviors as well as neural mechanisms and placement of visual attention that occur during the purchase decision phase of a consumer shopping experience. Previous research reports that consumers tend to resort to higher star ratings when they make their decision to buy a product, especially if they're unfamiliar with the brand or product itself. It was also found that discounted prices result in greater buying intention when the product was relatively cheap, when original prices came to be more effective when the product was expensive. Observing the interactions between the aforementioned variables in either the presence or absence of time pressure will corroborate findings that indicate that when faced with high time pressure during their e-commerce experience, consumers tend to focus less on coupons and products with a promotion and rely more on acquiring their desired items. To date, studies have tested individual variable effects on consumer behavior. The purpose of this current study is to use eye tracking technology in conjunction with self-reported purchase intention data to observe the relative impact of various stimuli on gaze duration and purchase intention. As for the method, 64 undergraduate participants between the age of 17 and 22 were presented with 80 products, varying in the presence of time pressure, star rating, price, and discount, while their eye movements were recorded. Each product was viewed across the 64 participants in each of the 16 conditions. After each product was displayed, they were prompted to rate how likely they were to purchase it for someone they knew on a Likert scale from 1 to 7. Generalized linear mixed effects models were used to analyze purchase intention and eye movement fixation durations on each of the 7 interest areas as a function of the 4 independent variables. Among the most significant results was that fixation times on the star rating regions were longer when there were 3 stars or for higher priced items. Similarly, fixation times on the discount region were longer for higher priced items. In the absence of time pressure, low discounts would lead to greater fixation on the old price region. In terms of purchase intention, items rated 5 stars, lower priced, or discounted 70% off all led to greater purchase intention. These results indicate that the average consumer is dependent on heuristics that are easily accessible at the point of purchase. Thus, the advertisement of sales discount on public opinion channeled through visual stimuli will have the greatest effect on consumers' path to purchase. Overall, these findings have significant implications for marketing efforts, especially across e-commerce platforms.